Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Mashudrana from ThemeDev. In this video, I will show you payment and account settings in the ThemeDev plugin. Actually, these settings help you control customer information, currency, and payment option. So, first we have to go the clean these settings inside the backend. So, as you can see, here is a sidebar menu, payment and account option. So there, first we can change the title for tab title. Actually, this is for multi-step menu. And right now, if we look the form, there I don't see any option for payment. So first I have to enable this option. So if I enable this option and save change, now if I again reload this page, so right now as you can see, here is the option for payment. We can set payment here. Okay. So there, inside the payment method settings, we can set change the title and subtitle. This title actually, this title and this is subtitle. So we can change this subtitle as well. We can see there are three payment gateway here. Actually, this is a default payment gateway. So if you need another payment method, we have a lot of add-on payment add-on. So inside the Kindly add-ons page, if I scroll down, here as you can see many add-ons available for payment methods. So which payment you need, like PayPal, Amazon, to checkout, Molly, Square, you just have to purchase this add-on, then you can see this. After installing, then you will be see this add-on payment gateway actually. Okay. So first we have to check this payment gateway, which payment gateway I need. So I check all payment gateway. So actually this is Stripe and this is Cash and this is WooCommerce and okay, and we can set the default payment gateway. Like if I set default, we must have to install the WooCommerce plugin and have to configure payment method, WooCommerce payment method. And this is Cash. For that we don't need any settings. And for Stripe, we must have to configure like Stripe publishable key and secret key. As well, we can enable test mode for checking test, and here we can set live mode, publishable key and secret key. As well, we can see there is an option for 3 days authentication. We can enable or disable this option. Okay. So if I again reload, right now we can see also this payment method, and customer can select this payment method, which payment they want to pay. Okay. Then next settings, customer info. There actually this customer information or this card box. So there first we can change the title and subtitle. This title and subtitle, actually this is title and this is subtitle. Okay. Then the contact information. Actually this information, contact information, like we can see their first name, last name and email. We can change this label over here, this label, and also we can see the field, and we can add a new field if we want. So by default we can see here 5 field, and that's why here showing this field. Okay. And we can set the country. By default they are showing all. We can select a specific country, which country we serve our service. Okay. As well we can set the state. So for that we must select the business country first, as you can see there. Okay. So here first we have to select country, then after refresh this page, then we can select the state. Okay. So like if I select like Bangladesh and have to save change, then have to reload these settings for select state. Okay, now I see the available state. We can just set this state, which state we want. Okay. Okay, then next option is billing option. So by default we don't see their billing to fill the billing address. They are actually customer information, all the customer contact details. So if we want, we can enable this option. So first I enable this option. Now save change for showing you and reload the booking page. Okay, as you can see here, option for billing address. Actually customer address and billing address is different. So if you want, you can set the billing address. Okay, and as well you can configure the billing input field here by clicking add. By default we can see there 5 field. Okay, and next option is customer account. This is most important for you. So by default this option is visible. If you enable this option, and while customer submit this booking, and for their account automatically will be create for this customer. Okay, so it's most important. If you want, you can enable this option so that when customer submit booking, for their account will be create automatically. Okay, and after that you have to save change. Okay, then next settings is currency settings. There we can set currency related settings, like we can set our currency. Okay, we can set US dollar, and we can set currency position before or after. As well we can select the symbol. Okay, and after that we have to save change. The next option is others. There have most important feature for deposit payment. We can enable this deposit payment. Deposit payment means customer pay a limit amount, for instance, and after you complete your service, then they pay the rest of payment. So you can enable this deposit payment by clicking this switcher. As well, we can select the deposit payment type, flat rate or percentage. So I select flat rate, and we can set the flat rate amount. So by default they are showing 20. Okay, now if I click save change and reload our booking page. Okay, inside the summary you can see the total amount is, this is total amount, and they are showing a deposit amount $20, and this is actually due amount, and this amount customer will pay before complete this cleaning service. Okay, so if you want, you can enable this deposit amount. Then next settings is thank you page settings. So you can set the thank you page while a booking is complete. It redirect the thank you page. So you can use this shortcut by creating this thank you page. As well, you can select here for displaying thank you page. So for that you have to first create this page. I already create thank you page. I just select this thank you page, and as well content position we can set. Okay, and after that we must have to save all changes. As well, there we can see booking expire settings. We can set booking expire settings here. We can set time for minute, hour or day, and when a booking will be expire. Actually you can see there, if you cannot complete this payment, then the booking status automatically change, it expire, and you can set this time like minute, and you can set minute, 30 minute. As well, you can enable this delete option, so that automatically delete the expire order. So it totally up to you. So hopefully you can understand all payment and account related setting. So if you have any question or concern, just let me know inside the comment box. So until then, stay safe and healthy. Have a great day.